If your AC bill makes you feel like you're paying for the whole neighborhood, you're not alone. But don't worry. Today, I'm sharing AC tips that actually work. And nope, this isn't just about turn it off when you leave. Let's save energy without sacrificing comfort. Air conditioners don't just use energy when cooling. They use extra energy when they have to work harder than they should. Dirty filters, bad insulation, and poor usage habits are the main culprits. The good news? Small changes can make a big difference. This one's simple. A clogged filter makes your AC work harder, meaning more energy and a higher bill. Check your filters monthly and replace or clean them at least every 3 months, more often if you have pets or allergies. A programmable thermostat can automatically adjust the temperature when you're not home. Setting it 7 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit higher for 8 hours a day can cut AC costs by up to 10% a year. If you don't want to pay to cool an empty home, this is your best friend. Direct sunlight can heat a room by several degrees, forcing your AC to work harder. Keep blinds closed during peak sunlight hours, or use thermal curtains for even better results. Leaky doors and windows let cold air escape and hot air in. Sealing these gaps with weather stripping or caulk keeps your home cooler and saves energy. Think of it like pouring water into a leaky bucket. No matter how much you pour, you'll still lose some. Same with your AC. A yearly AC tune-up keeps everything running efficiently. It's like an oil change for your car. Skip it, and you'll pay for it later in breakdowns and higher energy use. Fans don't cool the air, but they help circulate it, so your AC doesn't have to work as hard. Just remember to turn them off when you leave the room. They're for people, not spaces. So, quick recap. Clean your filters, use a programmable thermostat, block the sun, seal leaks, and service your AC. Do these, and you'll save energy without sweating through summer. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone whose AC bill is out of control. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying cool without draining your wallet. See you in the next video.